Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to construct a tangent from point P to this given circle. This given circle here was drawn with the compass, but drawn with that compass, but it was quite hard to see it in the visualizer, so I went around it with a black fine liner. So the first thing that we do is we join our point P to the center of the circle. P to the circle. Like so. Okay, so the next thing we do after that then is we bisect that line, P, I'm going to label this point C. C for center, that's the only reason that's point C. Okay, and P for point. So the next thing we do is we get our compass and we do a construction. So the construction we do is we bisect the line. So we set our compass on point C or point P, whichever one you want to do first. Okay, we go further than halfway and we scribe an arc and we scribe an arc. Okay, and then we get the tip of our compass, pop it over onto point P, scribe an arc, and scribe an arc. So when we have our two intersections, which I'll go over lightly with a black pen, just where they intersect, just so you can see. Okay, what we do then is we get our set square and we join up the lines. Okay, and now that gives us the center point of line PC. Okay, I'll label this, sorry, let me get the right pen. I'll label that point D. Okay, I just did D because it was after C. Okay, next thing we do is for the actual construction of the tangent. So we go back to our compass and we put the tip of our compass onto the center line D, the center point D, sorry, from where you bisected it. And then what you do is you line up your lead from onto point C or onto point P, whichever one you prefer. And then we scribe an arc. Okay, I'm actually going to do a full circle here and draw two tangents, just to show you that we could do it both ways. Okay, I'll do it. Actually, we can see that circle okay on the visualizer. So the next thing we do is we find the point of intersection from our construction circle going around and our given circle. So the point P is here and the point P is also here. What we can then do is join our point C to here and join our C to here. And then what we could do is we could line our point P to our dots here. So I'm going to go, so we were on D, I'm going to go E and F just for labeling. So our point P to the point, is going to our point F. And that lines up like so. Point E is also going to P. And that lines up like so. I'm actually going to continue that tangent out further just so you can see. So what's happening there is, I'm going to do this one as well. Just continue that one out a bit. So as you can see, our line here, or our tangent from point P, touches our circle at point F, and it touches our circle at point E. And they are the two tangents that we can draw to our circle from that given point P. And just one thing to note before we finish up is the angle created here and here is 90 degrees.